Hi everyone, let's learn how to fix Apple Watch not connecting or pairing to iPhone. Let's go and check that out. Well, if it's not working, it's just stuck on a loop and not going ahead, then what is the solution for that? For that, you actually just need to restart or give a forced restart to your watch. That is the best and the finest solution for your watch problems or glitches you are facing into your watch. So simply just press and hold this crown button and the button under this black button. Press and hold these both simultaneously, as you can see, and wait for the Apple logo to come in front. Don't get panic if your screen gets black like this. Just wait for the Apple logo. It will take just 5 to 7 seconds to come in front. So let's just wait for it. Okay, it is happening. Now, when you see the Apple logo, you can very easily release the buttons. So now let's wait for this Apple logo to disappear and let's wait for this like watch screen to come ahead, because this will actually give a very quick and a hard restart to your watch, which will actually solve so many of the small glitches you are facing into it. Either it's some apps problem, either it's some uh, like things to do, so how it is happening, how it is not happening. So it will definitely help you to do so with that. So make sure to check out now. Just be patient, don't get panic, don't get so hesitated into it. Just wait for it, because it will actually take like 30 to 35 seconds to turn back on or came back to its original screen. Otherwise, sometimes it will also take more than 35 seconds. So at that time, you also need to be worried about anything. You just need to be patient, wait for it to get started, and just be relaxed so that it can just do its work and solve some of the glitches, as it is right now also working backendly to solve the problems you are actually facing into your Apple Watch. So just wait for it. Let us also wait until it gets started. Okay, so as you can see, our Apple Watch has been started and there are no glitches into it. Everything is working well and going ahead. So this is how you can do it. I hope you will find it informative. Thank you so much and may you all have a great day.